So as you guys just saw, it's literally flood everywhere around the city where I live. So it's like literally flood in the city where I live. You can see. So because of this heavy flood, there's two things which I can do. Because as you guys know that I've recently joined the gym to change my physique. Now there's flood everywhere, so even the gym is closed. Nobody is going out of the house. Everybody is staying in their house. And there's two things which I could do in this heavy flood, which is either stay at home, play games, watch movies, and live your day. But I choose the second option, which is to train at home with whatever equipment you have. Because it doesn't matter if it's flood fucking everywhere in the city. Even the gym is closed. People are staying at their home, not working out, but I'm still gonna work out. I don't fucking care about the flood. Not even the flood can stop me. And this is the level of mindset which I used to have. If it doesn't matter if it's flood everywhere around the city, I have a single dumbbell in my home which I can use to train my body. For chest I can do push-ups, for back I can do pull-ups, and with the dumbbell I can do triceps and shoulder shrugs, shoulder training, everything with one hand and then with the other hand. So this is what the mindset that keeps me different from the other people. Most of the people are now resting at home. Of course, the flood isn't in the inside of the house of most people, but they still are lacking the motivation. If I would have a fucking boat, I would have went to the gym with the fucking boat. I don't care. But since I don't, then I'm training at home anyways. I'm still uploading on this YouTube channel. I'm still making videos. I'm still working on my business, reading my books. I'm still doing the gym at home. I'm not skipping a single day, even if it's flood, tsunami, fucking cyclone, anything, earthquake. Natural disasters can't stop me. Can't stop this guy.